Hello students. So, how are you all? Enjoying? Hope you all are safe. So, what we were doing chapter or we were studying motion, right? What we were doing? We were doing motion. Okay? Now, in motion, we are left with only one topic. This is our last topic, then chapter ends. Okay? So the topic is uniform circular motion. Okay? Hope you all have understood the chapter till yet. Now we will move further and cover the last topic. Alright. So what is uniform circular motion? In circular motion, you know that body moves in circular path, right? Body moves in circular path. That is circular motion. When body moves in circular path is known as circular motion. Okay. Now what is uniform circular motion? What is uniform circular motion? When a body moves in a circular path with a constant speed. When a body moves in a circular path with a constant speed. Okay. With a constant speed is called uniform circular motion. ठीक है. अगर बॉडी सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव कर रही है तो उसको बोलेंगे हम सर्कुलर मोशन. एंड बॉडी इज मूविंग विथ कांस्टेंट स्पीड. अगर बॉडी कांस्टेंट स्पीड के साथ मूव कर रही है तो उसे बोलेंगे हम यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. ओके. कांस्टेंट स्पीड मीन्स इट्स स्पीड इज नॉट चेंजिंग. इट्स स्पीड इज कांस्टेंट एट एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ मोशन. सपोज हियर इट इज मूविंग. Its velocity at this point is v is equal to 2 meter per second, suppose. So at this point, if its velocity is 2 meter per second, then the motion is said to be uniform. And here also, if its velocity is 2 meter per second, that means the motion is constant or uniform. Speed is constant or uniform motion. But what happens if the unit is 4 meter per second or 3 meter per second? That means velocity is not constant, velocity is changing. Okay? Or speed is changing. So that means no constant speed, so no uniform motion. Non-uniform motion that will be. Okay? Uniform circular motion means speed has to be constant. Then the motion is said to be uniform circular motion. Alright. So let's see some examples of circular motion. So examples of uniform circular motion is blades of a fan. Fan moves as a uniform circular motion. Exhibits uniform circular motion. When a satellite moves around Earth, possess uniform circular motion. Okay. And in some amusement parks, you have seen, you must have taken some rides like this. Then the motion is going on here is uniform circular motion. Okay? Because जब वो यहाँ से ऐसे मूव करते हैं तो उनकी स्पीड कांस्टेंट होती है. मोशन की, सर्कुलर मोशन की स्पीड क्या होती है? कांस्टेंट होती है. राइट? तो ये क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. These are the examples of uniform circular motion. Motion of blades of a fan, motion of a satellite around the earth, or motion of a earth around the sun, or motion of a moon around the earth is all uniform circular motion. And these rides you must have taken in amusement parks are also uniform circular motion. And the ride of that giant wheel also comes under uniform circular motion. Okay. So next, what is there in this topic? Let's do an activity first. Take a thread, tie up that thread with a stone. Okay, with a stone, and move it above your head in a circular path. Okay, and move it above your head in a circular path. आप एक थ्रेड लेंगे, थ्रेड पे स्टोन या बॉल टाई अप करेंगे, ओके, और उसको अपने हेड के ऊपर हैंड को अप लेके उसको गोल गोल घुमाएंगे राउंड इन अ सर्कुलर मोशन, ठीक है, इन अ यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन, ओके. Speed should be constant. So it will, here you can see it possess a uniform circular motion. Now in the second picture you can see here the thread suddenly breaks. The thread or string you have taken is breaks. So stone must be moved in a circular path. Suppose at this point string breaks. So the motion must be in a circular path. But here what you can see is stone moves in this direction. Stone किस direction में चला गया? इस direction में चला गया. जब आप स्ट्रिंग से स्टोन बांधकर उसे सर्कुलर मोशन में घुमा रहे थे, सपोज अ पॉइंट कम्स व्हेन स्ट्रिंग ब्रेक्स, स्ट्रिंग टूट जाती है, सपोज एट दिस पॉइंट, तो व्हाट हैपन्स कि स्टोन को सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव करना चाहिए, बट वो सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव नहीं करके वो तो इस डायरेक्शन में चला गया. वाई डज दिस हैपन? बिकॉज the direction of stone was here. Suppose stone is here, the direction of stone is here. In this direction stone should move, but due to the force applied by this man, it is moving in a circular motion, but the direction of motion is the tangential of the path. Circular motion में स्पीड भले ही आपकी कांस्टेंट हो, स्पीड आपकी कांस्टेंट हो सकती है, बट डायरेक्शन ऑलवेज चेंजेस. अगर इस पॉइंट पे बॉल मूव कर रही है, स्टोन मूव कर रहा है, तो उसका डायरेक्शन इस साइड है. सपोज एट दिस पॉइंट द डायरेक्शन इज लाइक दिस, सपोज एट दिस पॉइंट द डायरेक्शन इज लाइक दिस, ओके. तो कांस्टेंट स्पीड से तो मूव कर रहे हैं, बट डायरेक्शन उसका चेंज हो रहा है. One thing you must remember that in circular motion, the speed of ball or stone or any object is tangential to the path. Here you can see, suppose take another example. A horse is moving in a circular path with a uniform a horse is possessing a uniform circular motion here, okay. So when the horse is here, it is moving in the circular path, but its direction is tangential to the circular path. उसकी जो मोशन है वो क्या है? सर्कुलर पाथ के, दिस इज द सर्कुलर पाथ, और उसका मोशन क्या है? यहाँ पर सर्कुलर पाथ के टेंजेंशियल है. टेंजेंट यू ऑल नो कि अगर हम एक सर्कल बनाते हैं और उसके कॉर्नर से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दें, दिस इज टेंजेंट, ओके. तो यहाँ पर हॉर्स की डायरेक्शन क्या है? टेंजेंशियल. हियर एट दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हॉर्स इज टेंजेंशियल, ओके. तो सर्कुलर मोशन में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा होगा, उसकी डायरेक्शन सर्कुलर पाथ के टेंजेंशियल होती है. क्लियर? Next is, you can see here, the stone is moving in the circular path, but its direction is tangential to the circular path. And from starting we are talking about constant speed. Okay, we haven't discussed about velocity. We discussed about the speed. A body is moving with a constant speed possesses a uniform circular motion. But when we talk about the direction, okay, speed plus direction is velocity. When we talk about the direction, velocity comes under consideration. जब भी हम डायरेक्शन की बात करेंगे तो वेलोसिटी हमारे सामने आ जाती है, बिकॉज स्पीड इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी and velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity has both. If you add direction and speed, इट विल बिकम वेलोसिटी। जब आप स्पीड में डायरेक्शन को ऐड करते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाता है, वेलोसिटी। व्हाट इट बिकम्स, वेलोसिटी। ठीक है, तो स्पीड तो कांस्टेंट है बट डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है। यहाँ पर इस पॉइंट पे बॉल का डायरेक्शन इधर है, इस पॉइंट पे बॉल का डायरेक्शन इधर है, इस पॉइंट पे बॉल का डायरेक्शन इधर है, इस पॉइंट पे बॉल का डायरेक्शन इधर है। तो डायरेक्शन इज चेंजिंग। If one of the thing is changing, either speed or direction, then velocity will also change. Here velocity is not constant. Here speed is constant, but direction is not constant. Okay, speed constant है but direction constant नहीं है. Then velocity is not also constant here. तो velocity भी constant नहीं होगी because direction is changing. स्पीड कांस्टेंट है, दैट डजंट मीन कि वेलोसिटी भी कांस्टेंट होगी, नो। ओके, तो अगर डायरेक्शन, सपोज डायरेक्शन इज ऑल्सो सेम एंड स्पीड इज ऑल्सो सेम, देन द वेलोसिटी बी कांस्टेंट, बट हेयर डायरेक्शन इज चेंजिंग, देन वेलोसिटी विल ऑल्सो चेंज। ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज अबाउट द वेलोसिटी, स्पीड and the motion in a circular path. Let's see how we will solve the questions on this topic. Firstly, you can see if a body is moving in a circular path, right? If a body is moving in a circular path, then the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, okay? And the time is t. T time में body सर्कुलर पाथ कवर कर रही है, टी टाइम में बॉडी इज कवरिंग अ सर्कुलर पाथ। तो वेलोसिटी इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, वेलोसिटी इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम। तो वेलोसिटी इस तरीके से जब बॉडी इस तरीके से मूव कर रहा है तो उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगा, डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, दिस सर्कुलर पाथ, तो उसका डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, ये सर्कुलर पाथ। तो व्हाट वी विल टेक हियर 2 pi r और टाइम इज t. So whenever you need to find out the velocity in circular path, you can use this formula. Okay, or this is the, here you can see period t is the time required to travel once around the circle, that is to make one complete revolution. One complete revolution करने के लिए सर्कल के अराउंड एक टाइम पे आपको पाथ ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, ओके, टू कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन. Revolutionary motion we have discussed in starting of this chapter. So it is what? Now let's discuss a question here. What is the question now? कि suppose a body is moving in a circular path. This is the body. Okay. At some instance, it started moving from here with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Okay. At this point, its velocity is 2 meters per second. All right. Find out the acceleration. What you will do? Acceleration is what? Change in velocity divided by total time taken. Right. So change in velocity. Velocity is same here. So what do you think? Acceleration is 0? No. The thing is that direction is opposite. If direction is opposite, that means velocity is not constant, right? Change in velocity is v minus u. Suppose it is its initial velocity u and this is the final velocity v, but opposite in direction. So what you will do, you will take v as minus 2 meter per second because it is in opposite direction of this. Negative sign is showing the opposite direction here. So what you will do, you will write minus 2 here, minus and 2 here. Then what you will get is minus 2 will be minus 4 meter per second square. So your acceleration will be 4, not 0. Negative sign is showing the direction here. Okay, acceleration, negative acceleration is retardation. That means the body is about to stop. Clear? Hope you all have understood this topic clearly, that uniform circular motion is when a body moves in a circular path with a constant speed. Okay, speed is constant. That doesn't mean the velocity will also be constant, because in circular motion the direction is changing. If direction is changing, then velocity is also changing. Okay, hope. And velocity is always tangential to the circular path. The direction of velocity is always tangential to the circular path, like this, tangential. Okay, all right. Bye bye, take care.